Yo, what is going on, guys? It's Scotty Restores Kicks, and I got another icing video for you guys that was requested by one of you, so check it out.
All I see is icy, icy. All I see is icy, icy. Scotty restoring kicks, and all I see is icy, icy. Whoa.
So today we're gonna be icing up some infrared sixes. Not too bad condition. We're gonna clean them up right now, and then we're gonna ice them. But the video that we're doing, the main reason we're doing this video, because we're gonna be icing with a Salon Care 40. One of you said they want to see a full video of just a Salon Care 40 and seeing how it really works and if it does work. So we are gonna do a full video just with this. Okay, this is the only icing stuff, the only icing sauce I'm gonna be using in this video. So check it out. Again, this is a great way to ice your shoes. I do recommend it probably as number one and number two as kind of sauces I use. So Salon Care 40, we're gonna put to the test yet again with some infrared sixes. Again, they're not terrible condition, but definitely need some icing. So let's get right to it. Alright guys, so we iced up another pair of shoes. Check out this comparison right here, guys. Look at the before and after. As you can see, big difference. And this took 3 sessions in the ice box. So the Salon 40 Care does work, okay? It does work. Now, again, like I said, it only took me 3 sessions. Each session was about 10 hours. So it took me about 2-3 days, depending on how long you wait in between the next session. But yeah, 3 sessions got here. Again, I could do more sessions, but as you can see right now, it did the job. Plus, I'm reselling these, and I don't really need to go too much more because I'm not going to get that much of a price difference. So I decided to stop there. Like I said, 3 sessions, and Salon 40 Care did it. So that's your review on the Salon 40 Care, yet again, on another pair of Jordans. These are the black infrared sixes. And that's all I got for you guys today. Before I end this video, I do have a lot of videos coming up in the next couple weeks. Someone wants me to talk about negotiating prices and how you can get better deals when you're buying shoes, so we're going to be talking about that. I also have a couple comparison videos of different sole sauces. I had just been reached out to by Chris Custom Kicks, and he has his own Chris Custom Kicks sauce that I'm going to try out and compare it to the Soul Bright, and I'm also going to compare it to Scotty Restoration's ice cream sauce. So we're going to do a comparison video, 2 videos, one on each one. I might even do it against the Salon Care 40, so maybe even 3 videos, seeing if his product is as good as the other ones, or if it's better. So we're gonna check that out, and we're gonna dig deep into that review and try to find the best sole sauce for you guys for the right price too. So that is it. That's gonna wrap up this video. If you guys have any questions or video suggestions, please put them in the comments down below. Also, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash the like button. And lastly, if you enjoy this channel and you want to see more videos like this, all you gotta do is subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit the push notification button so you never miss an upcoming video. So it's Scotty Restores Kicks, and do you want to be icy? Well, it starts in the soul. I'm going to see you next time.